4-box break. These are hobby, obviously. These are hobby boxes, so you know, a better chance at the wave packs in hobby than in jumbo. So, all right, let's see what we can get here. We're gonna open at least 20 boxes tonight, so we'll definitely have some wave packs in here. Break one, and the paper base will go to everyone. It just won't be sorted. All right. So basically, you're going to get 1/30th per team, 1/15th. All right, if you have two teams of the paper base, unsorted paper base. Your chrome, your inserts, all your hits, all that goes by team. We just don't sort paper base, but a lot of people kind of want it, so we just divvy it up, and we certainly don't want to keep it here. Trust me. Trust me. We got Matt Southard, refractor. Clint Frazier, paper. Yeah, it's been a while. We haven't. We actually ran 5 breaks tonight. Usually, I kind of tap out at about 30 or 40, but or 3 or 4. Sorry, 30 or 40. At 3 or 4, but. I knew people wanted the Harper, and so I was like, we'll just keep going. Matt DeRozier. We got a Puig paper. Oh, that's a nice card. Look at that. Red paper, Cody Harris. 3 of 5 for the Miami Mullets. 3 of 5 red paper, Cody Harris. Nice card. Let me put that in a sleeve, just because the paper is, you know, it's so easy for the paper to get dented up, and this one actually looks really good. So I don't worry about the chrome too much, but the paper are pretty sensitive. So Joseph Mung, refractor. And Stankiewicz. Carlos Correa, silver ice. Gregory Polanco, refractor. Michael Waka Waka. All right, well, I'll break it tonight if you don't mind just watching the video tomorrow. Or I can wait and then break it tomorrow. Whatever you want me to do, Ernie. Funky Cole Medina, refractor. Teddy Ball game. All right, I'll bust it tonight, and I'll post the video in the thread. Plus, you can find it on YouTube tomorrow by just searching for your username. Kyle Crick, refractor. What's up, Lazy Gambler? Actually, we filled everything, bud. We filled 5 breaks tonight. The first break filled in 8 minutes. Kendall Coleman. Kevin Plawecki. That's pretty fast. That's pretty fast. Yeah, I do have some Bowman Draft boxes if you want. They're 83 delivered. If you want me to bust one. You didn't get the email? Here, let me show you something. Try this link. I don't think much of Panini Draft. I don't. The only Panini baseball product I like is National Treasures. Check this out, Lazy Gambler. This will get you a PM. If for any break I post, it'll get you a PM, and it'll actually get you more than what I would normally email. Hunter Green refractor auto for the Angels. Hunter Green refractor auto for the Angels. So just post in that thread. That's all you got to do, and I'll add you to that PM list. And then if later on you're like, I'm sick and tired of getting all these PMs, just post again and say, hey man, take me off, and I'll take you off. Now I've got Elite. I've got Panini Elite. I like that, but I don't like any of their other stuff for the most part. All right, guys. So box 1 had a Hunter Green refractor and a red paper of a Miami mullet. Hey, if you got to open a new product, getting an Abreu auto definitely is a good way to go. That's a good way to go right there. Yeah. I'm looking for the thick backs. Oh, yeah, it was a die cut. I didn't even pull it out, did I? Sorry. Die cut. It's not numbered. It's not a numbered die cut, but yeah, I usually pull those out. It's only the X-Fractor die cuts that are numbered to 99. Yeah. P-Scale, that's going out in the morning. It's all packaged up and ready to go. I could have shipped it yesterday, but I just wasn't feeling well, so instead of shipping Saturday, we'll ship everything tomorrow. But it's all packaged up and sealed and ready. It just needs a shipping label. Denton Keys, blue paper. Manny Machado chrome. Brennan Middleton. Dominic Smith. We got Alan Hansen refractor for the Pirates. Colin Moran. Paulino. We got C.J. Edwards for the Cubs. All right, I'll do that. Yeah. Mike Kickham, refractor. Josh Hart and Kansler. Will Morris, refractor for the Phillies. Carlos Salazar. Yeah. Strasburg, Shelby Miller. Kevin Gassman. Jake Stone. We got a blue Miles Williams for the Miami Mullets. Miles Williams, 73 of 99. So Miami has gotten a blue refractor and a red paper. Javi Baez for the Cubs. Brian Hudson refractor. Auto should be here pretty quick. Next pack. Probably this pack. Huh? You like that? Probably not, because it's Ryan Eads. Unless you got the Twins and you're like, hey, it's Ryan Eads. Alright, so Ryan Eads for the Twins. Rudy Fresh and Tootie Chrome. And Adam Landecker refractor for the Pirates. Alright, guys, 2 boxes down. Box 1 was definitely better than box 2, but hey, what are you going to do? Got a Michael Waka Waka Chrome right there on top. Alright, box 3. You know, I didn't go to Rays Fest because I wasn't feeling well yesterday. Plus, I really don't like crowds. You know, I liked Rays Fest back in the before they were good. I liked Rays Fest before the Rays, back when the days when the Rays weren't any good because nobody would go. Nowadays, you know, it was only one day. It was only a few hours on a Saturday, so it was really crowded. So no, I didn't go. Michael Waka, a Jonathan Gray mini. Yeah, I saw something about how much they were charging for autos of the 3 main guys. I was like, are you serious? I could buy their auto on eBay cheaper than that Rays Fest. Yeah, that was nuts. I saw that in an email, and I was like, wow, they're just trying to piss everybody off. Clint Frazier Chrome. Why would you pay that much? Yeah, it's nuts. You can get a David Price auto all day long for under $20. We don't have Roberto? You mean Fausto? I like the original Roberto Hernandez. He was pretty cool. Yeah, I don't care if it's for charity or not. That's still too high. But don't you have to buy a bracelet to get in or something like that? They used to do it that way, where it used to be free. I mean, even Fred McGriff and Wade Boggs, you know, they were all free. But, you know, the lines were really long, and you usually didn't have a chance to get everybody. So you kind of had to pick and choose who you got. And then they started changing it up, and Javier Baez. See, admission was free. Admission and parking was free. But, you know, the auto prices were so high. Stankiewicz. Adam Landecker, blue paper. I know I'm going to go to some Phillies, some Blue Jays. I'm going to go to some of those games. Maybe some Yankees. Maybe not Yankees, because even Yankees preseason games are spring training games are really expensive. Garrett Cole. I would definitely pay $30 for Omar and Tomei. I mean, shoot. They would have wanted $200 for Tomei if it was the Rays. Yeah, that's true. Got a black refractor of Joseph Mung for the Red Sox. Joseph Mung. 33 of 35. Nice card. Wow, that'd been cool. Kenny Lofton. Riley Unroe refractor. Is it Charles Nagy, right? Didn't he have like the frosted tip hair in the late 90s? Uh-oh, blue auto. Aaron Judge for the Yankees. Nice card. That's really a nice card. I would grade the hell out of that card. 30 out of 99. Who's got the Yankees? Right, yeah. Yeah. I remember one year, it was either 98 or 99, and Vince Namoli sat at a table and signed autos for everybody too. Just at a table, a random table. It wasn't even part of the signing or anything. That's a really nice card. I would grade this card. I hate to say it, but this has a shot at a 10. If this doesn't come back 9.5, I'll cut off a finger. I'm just going to put that on there. 30 of 99. Of course, the last time I thought a card was going to get a 10, I mean, seriously, I went through a stack of cards that I had set aside for grading. I went through the entire stack of cards and pulled out one that I thought was the best chance at a 10. It was a Rock Shoulders pink? Red? Oh, it was a Rock Shoulders Red Wave. That's what it was, to 25. And I sent that sucker in, it got a 9. But I really feel strongly about that Aaron Judge. I'm just going to say that. Take that as you will. March 8th, I believe. March 8th. Because it was the 45 day, and it's 45 days, which is like business days. So I think it's March 8th is when we should look. I keep looking, and they haven't updated it on the thing. But they did send me a message that they received the package. I want to say January 11th. I think. It had been there for like almost a week before they said they received it, but you know how that works. So, all right, guys, let's see what else we can get out of here. Let's see if we can get a wave, huh? Yeah, I think we do. I think we have a wave pack. I think. They fooled me before with them thick packs having like 10 chrome cards in them. So we'll see. I didn't have faith anymore either. I was like, what in the hell? I was really looking forward to that card coming back. Cole Stewart. But I'm pretty good. If I send in 10 cards, probably 8 of them are gonna, at least 8 of them will come back 9, 5, or 10. I've got a for chrome, I have a pretty good eye. For paper, I'm not as good, but I don't use any fancy gadgetry. I just go with the eye test, man. I'm gonna be honest with you. Andrew Knapp, refractor. I send stuff in pretty much about every month. We send some stuff in. I know guys asked me to send some stuff in not too long ago, and I forgot and shipped it to them. So, but I've got a couple cards to send in myself, so we're pretty much ready. And Jimmy Beast has some cards that I think he wants me to send, so I'm going to look at them before I ship them off tomorrow. Didi Gregorius refractor. Cato. And some of those cards that come back 9s, they're cards that I really wasn't worried about them getting. I mean, I wanted a 9.5, but I wasn't all that concerned about it. Like, for instance, I'll show you what I mean. Like these two cards right here. They're 1/1s. I wanted them encapsulated, but I wasn't so worried about them getting a 9.5 or a 10. The white ice, it's a mint 9, and the superfractor's a mint 9. So I mean, that's not really, to me, that's not a big deal, and I didn't pay a whole lot of attention to them when I sent them in. But on cards that I'm really trying on, this is what I like to pull out. That's what I want to see when I send something in where I'm like, come on. Get a good grade. What's going on? So it's probably closer to 90 than it is 80. A Ryu refractor. Enron, what happens if we hit a Brewer Superfractor in break 4? Then you'd be like, "Dow!" Phil Rizzuto. Matt Barnes, refractor. We're running breaks right now, bud. Austin Wilson, but they're all full. Austin Wilson refractor, 30/99 for the Mariners. But if you want a PM on blowout, somebody post that link. Or if you want to join the email list, there's another link for you too. And then that'll let you know in advance when the breaks come up. Chris Rivera refractor for the Cardinals. No, actually they didn't, but it's been the weekend, so nobody's really been in the offices, you know. Andrew Church for the Mets. You know, so I mean, we probably wouldn't hear back until today anyway. I mean tomorrow, Monday. Miguel Sano for the Twins, refractor. All right, guys, this is a thick pack. I don't know. Yep, looks like a wave pack. All right, good enough. Uh-oh, black wave, but it's got a silver. I have hit black wave autos in the same pack as a silver, but it's really, really rare. All right, Ventura for the Royals. Jonathan Singleton, 13/25. Jonathan Singleton. Nice card for the Astros. Sean Nolan. Tyler Wade. And a nice card for the Marlins, Colin Moran. Colin Moran. All right, guys. That wasn't a bad break. I mean, it actually came out pretty well. Let me get all these cards moved over here. All right, let's do a real quick recap. For 4 boxes, we did very well. Black Wave, Colin Moran, Tyler Wade, Sean Nolan, Jonathan Singleton /25. 13/25 on the Jonathan Singleton. It's pretty well centered, too. I'd probably grade that. Ventura, Andrew Church, Austin Wilson. Another card I would grade out of this bunch is this Aaron Judge for the Yankees. Joseph Mung /35. Ryan Eads For the Marlins, we've got Miles Williams to 99. Plawecki for the Mets. Hunter Green refractor auto for the Angels. And a red paper, Cody Harris, 3 of 5 for the Miami Marlins. So, pretty good break for 4 boxes. Let me grab the paper here, guys, for the first break. Lets me know who to ship what to. All right, and just like that, I'm going to save this video, post it to YouTube, and then open break 2. Make sure you post that in the thread, Enron and Parker, okay?